Hello beautiful Sagittarians, welcome to my channel Twinkling Stars Astro. If you have already subscribed my channel, welcome back. If you have yet not subscribed, please click the bell button down below and subscribe my channel for the updates the moment I upload my video. This channel is all about the occult sciences for your weekly predictions, for your monthly predictions of career, relationships and many more. Alright, so do leave your suggestion in the comment box down below so that I can improvise with my videos and get better with them. Alright, this is a general reading for the Sagittarians. Alright, so this might resonate with the Sagittarians, with all the Sagittarians, and might not resonate with some of the Sagittarians. So it's okay, don't get hard press on yourself if it doesn't resonate with you. Might not be the message for you for this week, maybe next week. Alright, and rest of the information is given below into the description box, so kindly visit it. So let's begin. Alright, what messages do we have for my lovely Sagittarians this week? What messages do we have for my Sagittarians this week? What messages do we have for my Sagittarians this week? What messages do we have for my Sagittarians this week? What messages do we have for my Sagittarians this week? Okay. What messages do we have for my Sagittarians this week? Alright. Ooh, quite fast moving energy, Sagittarians. What are you all up to for this week? What is the challenge for my Sagittarians? Alright. And what's the way of overcoming? Okay. And what is the final outcome for my Sagittarians? What is the final outcome for my... Okay. Alright. Alright, Sagittarians, at the bottom of the deck we have Six of Cups. Ooh, somebody is coming back from the past to you, Sagittarians. Maybe a reconciliation. Maybe a reconciliation with an ex, or maybe somebody from past, alright, or maybe some old relative is coming to visit you this week. So be ready, some old friend might contact you, alright, and you know, out of the sudden, where you're not expecting at all that, okay, from where this friend pops up, alright. So be ready for a surprise for this week. It could be anything. Alright, so beginning with your health, Sagittarians, this week, health will be very much fine, nothing to worry about. Just maintain the balance, have a balanced diet, eat healthy, and health would be fine with the star card. So nothing to worry about. Alright, just eat healthy, just maintain the right balanced diet. Alright, just not eat oily only, or just not eat, you know, simple salty only. So just a maintain balanced diet that we generally take. Alright, now coming towards the finances, the Knight of Wands is the card for you, Sagittarians. Alright, now you're very much in hurry in when it comes to your finances. You're spending and spending and spending. Hold on, Sagittarians, you'll get over with your finances like this. Alright, this is a very fast moving energy. You are utilizing your finances into the various things right now. Alright, so don't be surprised if you get stuck. Alright, don't be surprised with if you get stuck, because Knight of Wands is something, a very flirtatious energy, very fast energy. Alright, so it may tantalize at times, but not, you know, gives you the results the way it should. Alright, so take care with your finances. Invest. I'm not saying do not invest, but then invest carefully and do not put your money in various things at one time. Alright, just one or two maybe, that would be enough for you. Otherwise the finances will get unstable for you this week, Sagittarians, or caution for you. Alright, now coming at your workplace. Oh, okay, Sagittarians, workplace is difficult for you because somebody is planning to cheat you or to backstab you at your workplace with this Moon card. Sagittarians, now who is that person? You need to look around, you need to see, because competition is getting tougher day by day. Alright, no matter even if you're working, sitting at home, because you know, because of this environment of this virus going on, most of the people are sitting at home and having the work from home. Still, despite of that, competition never switches off. Always remember, competition never switches off. Alright, and because of this competition, now somebody is trying to overrule you. Now somebody is trying to cheat you, and somebody is trying to backstab you. So be ready for that. Alright, and be ready to handle that. Alright, be ready to handle that backstab. Now you already know, so keep your eyes open that, you know, who is that person who is actually backstabbing you, or who is even planning to backstab you. All right, so be careful. All right, if I come to the relationships, Sagittarians, with this Knight of the Cups, relationship is stable. Relationship is moving stable, nothing adventurous going on, nothing too much, hustle bustle going on. It's going smooth, it's going with its own good speed, so nothing to worry about in the relationships. All right, so that's about, okay, now coming towards the challenge for this week, Sagittarian, something is ending and something is getting started up with this World card, right? Now, what I feel is that a vicious circle of something is being ended, all right? And you're planning to start a new venture or a new thing. Now, what I feel is that my intuition is calling me and saying that it might be at your workplace. You might be losing or, leaving the your present jobs and getting a new one which is far much better for you and reap better results and gives you better salary. What I feel. All right, but despite of this new opportunity coming towards you and despite this new circle coming to you, you're still looking back, Sagittarian. With this Page of Swords, you're still looking back at this previous job. All right, you want to move ahead, but then something is stopping you. You're still looking at your past. Right, so decide, Sagittarians, whether you want to move ahead or whether you want to stay at, stay in the past, because you cannot stay at both the places at one time. You need to decide, all right, whether to move ahead is a good one or to stay back, is the right decision. So decide, this is a challenge for you for this week. So you need to decide wisely, all right. And the final outcome for you is the Page of Cups and the 9 of Wands, all right. Now this is giving me a confirmation that a new opportunity is definitely coming across to you. A good news. Maybe some of the Sagittarian ladies over here might get the news of pregnancy, that they are pregnant this week, all right. And for other people, you might receive a beautiful gift or something. A new opportunity is definitely coming across to you. Now this is giving me a surety, all right, with this Page of Cups, that something is really coming towards to you, right? And because of that new opportunity, you're all guarded up. You're all guarded up with this 9 of Wands, ready for the competition, ready for everything, all right? So I think it's like that. If you're moving towards your, new job, right? So you're all guarded up with the competition. You're saying, yeah, I'm all ready, please come along, all right? Yes, I'm all, with my roles, sleeves up. I'm all ready to face up, so please come along, all right? So let's say, what do we have in the oracle for you this week, Sagittarians? All right, what do we have for my Sagittarians this week? What messages do we have for my Sagittarians this week? What messages do we have for my Sagittarians this week? Sagittarians this week. Wow, you and your loved ones are safe. New moon in Cancer. Sagittarians, now I'm dead sure a new opportunity is definitely coming across to you, right? I have, oh wow, and see at the bottom of the deck what I have is the expect powerful change, So now I'll show you, all right. It's like this, all right. These 3 cards are clearly indicating that something is ending up which was not good for you and some new thing is starting up in your life, and that is a very powerful change. Rather, I should say that was a karma change, right? This is a call of the karma towards to you. This is a universe call for you, that something is destined by the universe to, change for you in your charts, right? So be ready for that, all right, and expect the change, and rather, welcome this change with open arms, I would rather say, all right, and see the change happening with your life. So Sagittarians, quite an adventurous week ahead for you, so be ready for that, all right. So now let me have the final message for you, Sagittarians. What is the final message for my Sagittarians this week? What is the final message for my Sagittarians this week? What is the final message for my Sagittarians this week? Oh wow, the message is from the Narsingh Deva, the half man, half lion avatar. All right. So the blessings are protection from evil forces, ability to see God everywhere in all the things, skillful sublimation of one's anger when it is not needed, strength and courage to defy conventional authority of truth and justice. All right. So with this Narsinga, everything will get subtle with this week, so do not worry. All right. Okay, the final prayer for you Sagittarians for this week is, the man lion is here, the man lion is there, wherever I go there is a man lion. He is outside of me, yet he dwells in my heart. If I take refuge in Narsingha, the man lion, for he is the ultimate shelter. All right. So this was the final message for you from the universe, Sagittarians. I hope this resonated with you. Do leave a comment into the comments section down below whether it's resonated or not. All right. I hope you like it. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye. God bless.